What's the meaning of City and Guilds Institute? City and Guilds Institute. City and Guilds Institute.
City and Guilds Institute. City and Guilds Institute. The City and Guilds Institute is a UK-based organization that provides vocational education and training for various industries. It was founded in 1878 and has since expanded globally, offering qualifications and certifications recognized by employers worldwide. The Institute aims to provide learners with the skills and knowledge they need to succeed in their chosen field, as well as supporting businesses and promoting economic growth. In summary, the City and Guilds Institute is an internationally recognized organization that offers vocational training and qualifications to help individuals gain the skills they need to succeed in their careers.